PayPal account. What will you possibly do with that money? Will you take your family on vacation? Will you buy something that you've always dreamt of having? Now, there are already so many people doing this from all parts of the world, and all they had to do is go to www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. We have 3 steps to earning $400 today. First thing is that I am going to be sharing with you guys one of the fastest growing websites in the World Wide Web today. Next, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can join this website successfully so you can start earning right away. And lastly, I'm going to be revealing the website for today and the secret to how the top earners of today's method are making up to 6 figures. Our website for today caters to all payment methods and people from all countries around the world, so you're all good in that area. Make sure that you guys finish today's video till the very last second so you don't miss anything, and let's jump right into it. Our website for today is called StudyPool, and this is how their website looks like. As you can see, this website is basically a micro tutoring site. This is where students can come to get answers from tutors. Now you're probably thinking, how am I going to make money off of this site? The answer is simple. You can go on this website and become a tutor yourself. So students will come to StudyPool, post a question, and then they also have the freedom to choose their tutor that they want to answer their question, and then they'll get help from us, the tutors, immediately. It's a win-win situation because the students will have their questions answered, and the tutors, and that would be us, will make some money. It's super simple and cool at the same time. And right now, I'm going to show you guys just how this website works and how you can apply to become a tutor for StudyPool. So some popular subjects or featured subjects on StudyPool are mathematics, science, business, programming, humanities, and writing. More specific ones are rocket science, linear algebra, chemical engineering, macroeconomics, international law, immunology, literature, JavaScript, music theory, Spanish, and even communications. Now, those are just a few examples of the many subjects that StudyPool offers, and clearly these are magnificent options, so expect to see even more significant and magnificent subjects when you visit the website yourself. Anyway, before we get into the part on making money, I want you guys to check this out first. Look at all of the big names that StudyPool has already worked with. This can definitely tell you that StudyPool has been around for quite some time and is already trusted by many. Now that we've gone through the website, what it does, its reputation, and everything, let's get started finally applying to be a tutor. But before that, I want you guys to answer this question in the comments down below. What would be your dream subject to tutor if given the chance? I'm just curious, and while you're at it, include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, to sign up to become a tutor, you're going to click on Become a Tutor even over here on top, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see over here, earn money answering homework questions. Earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. If I didn't mention it yet, StudyPool will not even require any experience or complicated skills from you, which is just absolutely awesome. Don't you think? If you look down here, you'll see some sample questions that students would normally send in with the corresponding prices that they're willing to pay. And you can see that it pays pretty good, so really no complaints here. If you look at the top earners, you can see that they're earning $81,000, $64,000, $59,000, $50,000, and $44,000. Now that's a lot of money, and soon enough, you guys are going to be up next. Since you're already on the Become a Tutor page, what you're going to want to do is click on Apply Now right here, and this is going to pop up. So you're going to provide all of the information they're asking of you. So that's your email, your username, and a password, of course. Then you're gonna hit on sign up, or you can choose to sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your LinkedIn account. It's all up to you as long as you go through the sign up process. And as soon as you've created your account, you're gonna be asked to verify your email address. So open up your email and look for an email like this. Click on it, click on verify email, and that's gonna open up this tab where you're gonna read StudyPool's terms of service. Then you're gonna click this box to agree to those terms of service. Then hit on I agree. Then you're gonna be met with this. Let's read it, and it says tutor application. StudyPool vets all tutors to ensure they are qualified to work on the platform. Like a typical job application, you will be asked to provide information about yourself and your qualifications. You will be also asked to answer 3 short questions in the topics of your choice so we can assess your knowledge and skills. Note that the application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one sitting. You're going to click on start application now, and then you're going to go through that, and as soon as you've completed the application, you're going to have to wait for about a couple hours to a few days until you get the results. So in the meantime, what I want you guys to do is like and subscribe before going any further, because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos, and we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. Now let's proceed. Now, how are we going to be making money properly as tutors? So to be able to really show you guys a proper and complete demonstration of how it's going to happen, I'm going to sign up and log in as a student. So you're going to see how students are going to be paying you to answer their questions. Now, this is the student's dashboard. This is how it would look like if you were a student on StudyPool. So if I, for example, as a student, were to post a question, it would look like this, for example, and whatever your question is related to, it's going to match the qualifications or the specialty of a tutor, and those are the tutors who are going to really see those questions. So they'll get a chance to answer it, which means that as tutors, you won't have to look for your own student for their questions. This website will be the one to bring you your student, so really it's super convenient for both parties. What I would suggest so that you guys can branch out more is actually select qualifications, even those that aren't yours or aren't in your lane, because everything on Google is literally available these days, so it doesn't matter as much. And the reason for this being, you are going to get more students. The more students, the more money. You can also lower your price point. You can start low and just build up from there, because the more credible you get, the higher you can up your pay. In that way, you're going to have regulars and you'll never miss a day of earning money, which is obviously what we want. When you've been around for long already, that's when you can start charging hundreds of dollars, so just be consistent. So make sure you follow everything I taught you guys in today's video. That's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.